Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the CapCut watermark in the CapCut templates. So here, if you want to use a template from CapCut, there will be a CapCut watermark shown in the video. Here I'm going to just show you. For example, I'm going to use these two photos. Okay, I'm going to use this template, and you can see now that by default there is CapCut watermark in the video. So you're going to do this trick if you want to remove the watermark. So first click on export. So what you need to do is just click on the export without watermark here, this option. If you don't have a TikTok account, you can still click on this, and CapCut will lead you to the Google Play Store. But if you have a TikTok account like I did, it will direct you to the TikTok apps. If you don't want to upload the video to the TikTok, you can just go back to CapCut. You can see it will automatically switch to TikTok like this. It will lead you to TikTok. So what you need to do is just click on the back button on your phone to cancel it, and you'll still successfully download the video like this. The video will have no watermark on it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.